This is a scale model of an accessory dwelling unit. Demand for this kind of housing has significantly increased during the pandemic for various reasons. ADUs are self-contained secondary dwellings, usually 600 to 1,200 square feet with 1 or 2 bedrooms. This one is 800 square feet, and the red figure represents a 5'9" person. I'm viewing this using the Tinkercad iPad app's augmented reality viewer, and I'm recording using the iPad's native screen recording feature. See the description for more on that. The one wall has been made transparent for easier viewing. Creating this kind of scale model can offer students all kinds of design challenge opportunities, from building for a particular end user, to demonstrating engineering principles, to incorporating green technology, to creating particular aesthetics. Students can use Tinkercad's Notes feature to provide further technical specs or explanations of their work. The story of their creation and vision can be told through writing or video or live presentation.